Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 nifty little tricks for Android users. Wait till you see this. Okay, so my first little trick. Did you know that you can triple tap on any Android screen in any application to get instant zoom? Me neither. It's true, all you need to do is go to device settings, scroll all the way down to accessibility, click accessibility, and then click visibility enhancements. From there you can scroll down to magnification, and then just hit triple tap screen to magnify, and just like that you could be zooming in on all kinds of jazz. Now this nifty little trick works in any application, any website, in fact anything that is on your phone it will zoom, even video. Just be careful with Instagram. We all know what a double tap does on Instagram, and you don't want to be double tapping on something you shouldn't be double tapping on, you know what I mean? For my second little tip, did you know that you can download any route on any map all over the globe so you do not have to rely on mobile data when you're out and about? Me neither. All you have to do is click the drop down menu in Maps, hit Offline Maps, and then you can select your own map by literally taking a screenshot of the area. You can then hit download, and that will download every single route and road within your screen area. This will then be automatically saved to your offline map so you can conveniently pull it up whenever you're lost. Okay, my third little tip is probably my favourite. I love this one. I use this one all the time, and this is how to split your screen. So say for example there's a recipe that you want to copy into your notes. You can literally click on your Recents tab and then open up Chrome in split screen mode, and then you literally get a split screen. You can choose any application for your second screen. I'm choosing Notes here. You can then interact with both screens. For instance, I can now copy all of this recipe and just drag it down into my notes, and that will save that for later. So there you have it, 3 little tips and tricks, but I do have plenty more. I have haunted the libraries of these lands looking for these mini hacks so that I can show you. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a like, and also don't hesitate to comment if you want to say something or talk to me, get something off your chest or whatever. I feel like a hedgehog just slid down my throat backwards. Sorry about that. One more thing. There's also a big button on your screen somewhere that says subscribe. Trust me, you should touch that and see what happens. If you don't subscribe, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. If you do subscribe, then I will see you next time for more tips and tricks. Bye bye.